Some tools slow you down. This one doesn't. The KelTec SUB2000 CQB is built for momentum, for shooters who value freedom, speed, and the kind of capability that never gets in the way. Foldable for easy transport, it travels light and snaps open with a twist, giving you full carbine performance in a package that disappears into a pack. Just over 5 pounds, balanced and ready the moment you need it. Under the hood, you'll find the real advantage. A fully integrated suppressed barrel system, 30.5 inches of total length, suppression built in, and a shooting experience that stays smooth, low signature, and easy on the ears, especially with subsonic ammo. Compatibility with common Glock pattern mags. All the practicality you need, none of the bulk you don't. Compact, suppressed, capable. The KelTec SUB2000 CQB. Unfold what's possible.